Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. We're getting a little pop-up that tells you to reselect your profile history drive. We found errors in your file history settings. Tap or click to reselect your drive. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services local, and the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung file history service. So scroll down, and then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung file history service, and then double click ka na, and then pop up itong kanyang file history service properties. Ang next step ay dito lang sa general, and then dito sa startup type. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan, and then select lang natin itong automatic. And then next step ay dito sa service status. So i-click mo lang tong start, and then wait natin. And then next step ay click mo lang tong apply, and then click mo lang tong okay. So ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-locate dito. So scroll down ulit, and then i-locate natin yung Windows search. Okay? Alright. So hanapin natin dito yung Windows search, and then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung Windows search. So dito ay kailangan mo ulit mag-double click, and then pop up itong kanyang Windows search properties. So same procedure dito lang sa general, and then dito sa startup type. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then next step ay click mo lang tong okay. Right? So ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong services. Dito ulit sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-tap yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification piece of system scan. So kailangan lang natin na hintayin na makomplete yung 100% verifications. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang si start menu, and then click mo lang to restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix with files errors in your file history settings error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.